I do like those fat balls. I'm looking at a recipe to make my own fat balls. So I'll know what's in them really. And beautiful little birds. And they've got water. Those water dishes need cleaning. But I put the seeds there and they fell on the floor, just there. So we'll probably end up with sunflowers in the summer. And there's those little fellas. Pick them all up.